Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI, exploring its usefulness and advantages. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and discover the transformative impact of this cutting-edge technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At its core, AI refers to machines and systems that can simulate human intelligence, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. AI has found its way into numerous industries, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to customer service, and beyond. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, make intelligent decisions, and learn from experiences is changing the game in every sector. Machine learning, a subset of AI, plays a crucial role in this transformative process. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn patterns, extract insights, and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. This capability empowers AI systems to continuously improve and adapt based on data. Think about the voice-activated virtual assistants that help us with daily tasks, the autonomous vehicles that navigate our roads, and the personalized recommendations we receive on our favorite streaming platforms. All these innovations are powered by AI, providing convenience, efficiency, and enhancing our overall experiences. In the healthcare industry, AI is a game changer. It assists doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzes medical images with incredible accuracy, and helps predict potential health risks. With AI, early detection and personalized treatment plans are becoming a reality, leading to better patient outcomes. In the manufacturing sector, AI-driven automation optimizes production processes, streamlines supply chains, and reduces operational costs. With AI-powered robotics and intelligent machines, factories are becoming more efficient, safer, and capable of producing high-quality products at scale. As we delve into the world of AI, we must also address ethical considerations. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI algorithms is essential to prevent biases and maintain public trust. Striking the right balance between technological advancements and ethical responsibility is crucial. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, offering immense opportunities and challenges. From transforming industries to improving healthcare, AI is paving the way for a future filled with innovation and limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the realm of AI. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on the wonders of AI and its impact on our lives. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into specific AI applications and explore the frontiers of this incredible technology.